Hello, welcome to this video. In this video I will show how to export the charts from Excel workbook to PowerPoint. As part of this process, first I created a folder on my desktop. Therein I copied coding workbook along with charts workbook. First let me open the charts workbook. This workbook consists of 3 tabs. First tab consists of pie chart, second one line chart, and third one column chart. So by using this template, I am going to export these 3 charts from Excel workbook to PPT application. I am closing this workbook. Click on Export the charts from Excel to PPT button. From the generated file dialog, I am selecting charts workbook. Click on Open. Now application exported all the available charts from Excel workbook to PPT. After completion of the process, application returned a message as exported the charts. Click on OK. Now open the folder. Here you can find application saved the PPT in the folder which I created on my desktop. Open the PPT. There application exported all the charts from Excel workbook to PowerPoint presentation. Now let us cross check the coding part. Click on Developer tab. Click on Visual Basic. So this is the complete coding. First I declared a variable to define the active workbook, which is named as input workbook. Thereafter I declared a variable which is named as file name. In that file name I saved the path of charts workbook by using getOpenFileName method of application object. Next I am opening the workbook by using open method of workbooks object. Next I declared a variable for chart workbook. Thereafter I declared a variable for PowerPoint application. Next I used visual property of PowerPoint application to display the PPT on the screen. Next I declared a variable for PowerPoint presentation. Next I declared a variable for PowerPoint slide. Here I mentioned slide number as 1. Next I declared 2 variables. First one is for chart object and second one is for worksheet. Thereafter I am using 2 for loops. First one is external loop and second one is internal loop. I am using the external loop to loop through all the worksheets in the charts workbook. And coming to the internal loop, I am using to loop through all the chart objects in the worksheet. Next I define the worksheet in the charts workbook. Thereafter, from the internal loop, I am copying the chart area of the chart object. Next I am adding a slide to the PPT presentation. Thereafter I am pasting the chart area into the shape. Mentioned log aspect ratio is equal to false. Define the measurements to resize the chart image. This is the end of internal loop and this is the end of external loop. Next I am closing the chart workbook. Next I formatted the current date and time by using now function and saved into the variable of saved time. Here I am instructing the application to wait for a second. Thereafter I am saving the PPT presentation in the path where the coding workbook I placed on my desktop. Next I am closing the PPT presentation. At the end I am nullifying the variables, and this is the confirmation message by using message box. So this is the brief introduction about the coding part. Hope this video is useful to everyone. Thanks for watching.